Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting for all you Cricut enthusiasts. How to use Cricut Insert Cards in 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for all things crafting, and these insert cards are a game changer for creating personalized cards, invitations, and more. Let's jump right in. First off, what are Cricut Insert Cards? They're pre-designed templates in Cricut Design Space that let you add custom inserts to your projects, like heartfelt messages inside greeting cards or labels for gifts. With the 2025 updates, they've become even easier to use with better integration and more customization options. To get started, open up Cricut Design Space on your computer or app. Log in to your account and select New Project. Search for Insert Cards in the search bar. You'll find a variety of templates to choose from. Once you've picked one, customize it by adding your own text, images, or colors. Don't forget to adjust the size to fit your card base for a perfect fit. Next, hit the Make It button. Design Space will guide you through the cutting or printing process. If you're using a Cricut machine like the Maker or Explorer series, load your material, think cardstock or printable vinyl, into the machine. Make sure to select the right material settings in the software to avoid any mishaps. For 2025 models, there's a new Auto Insert feature that aligns everything automatically, which is a huge time saver. After your machine finishes, carefully remove your inserts. Now, it's assembly time. Slide the inserts into your card or project, and voila, you're done. Pro tip: use a bone folder for crisp folds and add some adhesive if needed for extra security. Using Cricut Insert Cards opens up endless creative possibilities, whether you're making wedding invites or holiday cards. If you run into any issues, check the Cricut community forums or our playlist for more tips. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what project you'll try next. See you in the next video.